How to log out of TradeW application on your smartphone. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are on trading app and feels like it's time to take a little break, maybe you want to secure your account, switch devices, or just step away for a while, here's how you can easily log out of your TradeW app. Launch open the TradeW application first on your mobile device, and once you're inside the home page, go to the My Account tab at the bottom right corner. This will open up this expanded menu where you'll need to scroll all the way down and tap on Settings. Once you're in this settings page, go all the way down to look for the logout option. Tap on logout to sign out of your account. With just a simple tap and a single tap, you'll be logged out of your TradeW application. Logging out is simple and keeps your account secure, so that's how you do it. But make sure that you remember your credentials so that you can get access back to your account again in the future. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.